If you are in the process of driving and become aware of a flat tire, find a safe location to pull your vehicle into. Once you find a safe location, turn on your vehicle's hazard lights. Locate your spare tire, car jack, and lug nut wrench. With your lug nut wrench, loosen each lug nut. Do not fully remove the lug nuts, only loosen them to a manageable state. Place the car jack midway underneath the vehicle and proceed to lift the vehicle until the flat tire is completely off the ground. After the vehicle is lifted from the ground, use your hands to complete the removing of the loosened lug nuts. After all the lug nuts are removed, carefully remove the tire from the vehicle by pulling it towards your body. Place the spare tire onto the vehicle by aligning the tire's holes with the vehicle's bolts. Once the tire is resting onto the bolts, use your hands to twist the lug nuts back onto the bolts as tight as you can. Slowly lower the vehicle back down until all four wheels are touching the ground. Then remove the jack. While the vehicle is on the ground, use the lug nut wrench to securely tighten the lug nuts back onto the tire. This will complete your process.